Let me guess. You've been told the only way to get in shape is to spend hours at the gym squeezing workouts into an already busy schedule. But what if there was a smarter, faster way to reach your fitness goals? EMS training is revolutionizing fitness, and here's the kicker. Just 20 minutes in an EMS suit can deliver the same results as a 90-minute workout. No gimmicks, just science. If you've ever felt like traditional workouts are draining your time without giving you results, stick around. In this video, we'll show you how EMS training can save time, boost your strength, and even help you recover faster. Let's face it, traditional workouts often feel like a guessing game. Are you engaging the right muscles? Are you working hard enough to see results? That's where EMS training changes the game. EMS stands for electrical muscle stimulation. It's a fitness method that uses low-frequency electrical impulses to activate your muscles, mimicking the natural signals your brain sends during exercise, but with more precision and intensity. Research shows that EMS training can activate up to 90% of your muscle fibers in a single session compared to just 30 to 40% in traditional workouts. Here's the magic. EMS doesn't just save you time. By targeting deep muscle fibers that are often missed in regular workouts, it helps you build strength, endurance, and mobility, all while keeping your sessions as short as 20 minutes. So if you're tired of wasting time at the gym or struggling to stay consistent, EMS training could be the smarter, science-backed solution you've been looking for. Now that we know what EMS training can do, here's the challenge. Not all EMS suits are created equal. Choosing the wrong one can mean uncomfortable workouts or subpar results. Let's break down how to find the perfect suit for you. First, look for these key features. High quality electrodes for consistent, even stimulation across your muscles. Customizable intensity settings to match your fitness levels and your goals. Durable, breathable fabric. Your suit should fit like a second skin, allowing full range of motion. User-friendly controls. Whether it's an app or a handheld device, you want controls that are easy to navigate even mid-workout. Fit is everything. A poorly fitted EMS suit can lead to uneven stimulation or discomfort, so here's how to get it right. Measure accurately. Use a tape measure to check your chest, waist, and hip dimensions. Most brands provide detailed size guides, so don't skip this step. Try before you buy. If possible, test the suit to ensure a snug, secure fit without restricting movement. Look for adjustability. Features like elastic panels or straps can help fine-tune the fit for your body. Finally, make sure your EMS system matches your goals. You want a system that can do high-frequency workouts designed for strength and muscle building, low-frequency workouts designed for endurance, and recovery sessions ideal for post-workout relaxation and reducing muscle soreness. The right suit doesn't just fit your body, it fits your goals. So choose one that aligns with what you want to achieve, and you'll set yourself up for success from day one. Your EMS suit is here. Now what? Setting it up and using it correctly is the key to getting the most out of your sessions. Let's walk through the steps to ensure a smooth and effective start. First, setup is simple but critical. If you have a wetsuit, moisten the electrodes. Spray water on the electrodes to ensure proper conductivity and even muscle stimulation. If you have a dry suit, make sure you're warmed up in the suit to allow for proper conductivity. Next, align the electrodes. Place them directly over major muscle groups like your quads, glutes, and core for optimal activation. Then, secure the suit. Adjust straps or fastenings to ensure a snug fit. The suit should feel like a second skin, as tight as you can get it. Secure, but not restrictive. Next, connect the control unit. Pair the suit with your device, whether it's a mobile app or a handheld controller, and you're ready to go. The magic of EMS lies in its customizable intensity levels, but getting it right is essential. So start low. If you're a beginner, begin with a low intensity to familiarize yourself with the feeling. Then increase gradually. As you gain confidence, slowly increase the intensity to reach a level where you feel strong but comfortable muscle contractions. Maintain balance. Ensure all muscle groups are evenly stimulated. That doesn't necessarily mean the same stimulation levels, but imbalanced settings can lead to uneven workouts or discomfort. Remember, safety comes first. To avoid common mistakes, follow these guidelines. Stick to the recommended durations. Keep your sessions to around 20 minutes 2 to 3 times per week. Even with our professional athletes, we don't do more than 3 sessions a week. Also, consult a professional. If you have medical conditions like heart issues or pregnancy, get clearance from a doctor before starting EMS training. Make sure you're listening to your body. If you feel pain, dizziness, or discomfort, stop immediately and reassess your intensity settings. Maintain your suit. Regularly clean the electrodes and the fabric to ensure consistent performance and hygiene. By starting slow, adjusting your intensity carefully, and following these safety tips, you'll ensure your EMS training is both safe and effective. All right, you've got your EMS suit ready to go, but where do you start? Without a clear plan, it's easy to feel lost or underwhelmed by your results. Let's explore some workout ideas tailored to your fitness goals and how to combine EMS with other forms of exercise. If you have a dry shoot, every workout should begin with a proper warm-up. Yes, this helps avoid injury, but it's also about preparing your muscles to respond effectively to EMS stimulation and get that suit warmed up. Think of things like dynamic stretches, including movements like leg swings, arm swings, and hip openers, or light cardio like jogging in place to activate your muscles with the suit on a low setting. Your EMS workouts can be tailored to your goals, whether you're building strength, improving endurance, or enhancing recovery. Here's how to structure your sessions. For strength and muscle building, think of your primary movement patterns: squats, lunges, pushes, and pulls with higher intensity and short intervals. For endurance and cardio, you can do HIIT style exercises or even hop on your favorite cardio equipment with moderate intensity and longer intervals. For recovery and mobility, yoga poses, or what we like to call loaded stretching with low intensity stimulation. The key is balance. Combine EMS with other movements to target multiple fitness areas while keeping your workouts dynamic and effective. EMS training offers game-changing benefits, but it's important to weigh the pros and cons before diving in. Let's explore how EMS can transform your fitness journey and a few things to watch out for along the way. One of the most impressive benefits of EMS is its ability to enhance muscle strength and endurance. By engaging up to 90% of your muscle fibers during a session, EMS helps you achieve deeper, more efficient muscle activation than traditional workouts. Recovery is another area where EMS truly shines. By promoting blood flow and gently stimulating your muscles, EMS reduces muscle soreness, helps with muscle repair, and improves flexibility, all without adding strain to your body. But let's talk about some drawbacks. One potential barrier to EMS training is cost. High quality suits and devices can range from $500 to $1,500. And for the professional level systems that we use, upwards of $20,000. Obviously, that can be a significant investment. There's also some contraindications for people with different health issues, so make sure you're cleared for EMS exercise before getting into it. EMS training is a powerful tool for anyone looking to optimize their fitness. Just make sure it aligns with your goals, budget, and lifestyle before jumping in. EMS training isn't just a workout. It's a smarter, more efficient way to achieve your fitness goals. Whether you're looking to build strength, improve endurance, or recover more efficiently, EMS offers a science-backed solution that fits into even the busiest schedules. If you have any questions about EMS, let us know in the comments and check out some of the other videos on our channel. And before you go, don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more EMS tips, and share it with someone who's ready to revolutionize their fitness routine. Thanks for watching, and here's to smarter, more effective fitness.